Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to record screen on Vivo. If you're using a Vivo phone and now you want to record your phone screen, so let's see how can you do this. There are different ways. So first way is that you have to scroll down your control center and here you'll get the screen recording option. Just like this, just tap on it and it will start recording of your screen. But if you want to do this, so you have another option which is open your phone settings, and here you have to look for a setting something like this to record your screen. So let's see how can you enable it. You just have to look for accessibility and shortcuts. Just tap on it and here look for easy touch, assistive touch or something like this. You just have to tap on it and enable it. As I already enabled it, now tap on it and here you'll get the screen recording option. Just tap on it and it will start recording on your screen. You can customize your screen recording. Just tap on it and there are different options. But if you want to get screen recording settings in your phone, so you have to install third-party application. So go for Play Store and search for screen recorder. Just search for it and here you'll get different apps for this purpose. So let's see which one we have to install. We have to select with the ratings, as in this has 4.7 ratings and 100 million plus downloads. So just tap on it and you might have to install this application because it will be best for screen recording. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until the next video, bye bye.